Galing pala. Masama din. Galing pala lang.
Hello guys! So, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video ay samahan nyo kami mag-camping sa Wadi Shauka sa Ras Al Khaimah. So ngayon on the way na kami. Ang dating namin doon mga oras? Ang dating namin doon mga 2 from Abu Dhabi to Wadi Shauka. Mga 2 hours biyahe and 209 kilometers. Ganun siya kalayo. Diyan tayo pupunta. Yan. Dapat gising din ako para ma-monitor ko din siya. Baka mamaya iisip siya, di ba? Mahirap na. Siyempre, kailangan nating gising. Alert. Alert lang tayo. So, that's it guys. So, we'll see you in Wadi Shauka. See you there. Subscribe na. Subscribe na please.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you.
Grabing ilaw na yun.
Kontra kayo, dahil pang barangay.
Oo.
Parang may pang-basketball ka dito.
This is a warning from the past, to make sure you're learning from mistakes that you did last. Send me a letter when you're done, evaluating what your short life has become. You should know. You should know.
Kagabi din ako nakapag-update kahit wala namang nagtatanong ng update sa akin. I-update ko pa din kayo, 'di ba? So ayun, hindi na ako nakapag-video ng marami kagabi kasi after namin mag-setup ng tent, nagluto na rin kami. So ayan, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung itsura ng Wadi Shauka.
Friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm still the same. 'Cause I just can't let go. And there's no one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'll be here forever, waiting for your call. Lovers come, lovers go, and their hearts seem to change, but mine's still the same. 'Cause I still love you.
Hi guys, I love it hot.
Yeah.
Mama called your
I
doctor.
love. No more monkeys. Don't be all bad. Spider.
Spider. Where's the spider?
There's not spider. This is
Spider.
ladybug.
Itsy bitsy spider.
The-
Dance, dance.
No, no dancing.
Ano, dancing.
This one, this.
Hi guys! So, pauwi na kami and hindi ko na kayo na-update. Hindi na ako nakapag-chika-chika kasi parang wala namang umaabot sa point ng video na to. So, comment down below kung may umaabot pa ba sa point ng video na to. Pag walang nag-comment, edi wala. Pero ayun, pauwi na kami and yun, sobrang saya and ang lamig, ang ganda ng lugar, ano talaga, nature trip talaga. Anyway, ayun lang. So, thank you for watching and I hope na na-enjoy nyo yung video na to kahit wala naman katutunan tong video na to. So, ayun, bye!